Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's AutoCAD tutorial, we will learn 3 important commands for beginners: rectangle, copy, and move. These commands help create and organize drawings quickly and accurately. So let's get started. First, let's learn the rectangle command. The rectangle command is used to create 4-sided shapes easily. To start, type REC and press Enter. Now click anywhere in the drawing area to select the first corner. Move the cursor and click again to create the rectangle. You can also enter exact dimensions. For example, type 100,50 and press Enter. This creates a rectangle with accurate measurements. This command is very useful for drawing floor plans, boxes, and technical layouts. Next, we will learn the copy command. Copy is used to duplicate objects without changing the original. Type CO and press Enter. Select the object you want to copy and press Enter. Now select a base point. Move the cursor to the new location and click. The copied object will appear there. You can repeat this process to create multiple copies. This command saves time when creating repeated shapes. Now let's learn the move command. The move command is used to change the position of objects. Type M and press Enter. Select the object and press Enter. Choose a base point, then move the object to the new position and click. The object will move to the selected location. This command is useful when adjusting drawing layouts. Now let's combine these commands. First, create a rectangle, then copy it to another position. Finally, use the move command to adjust its placement. This is a simple way to practice these tools. Today we learned rectangle, copy, and move commands in AutoCAD. These are essential tools for every beginner. Practice these commands regularly to improve your AutoCAD skills. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials. See you in the next video.